Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how you can create project templates in UPBASE, your ultimate guide for 2025. First things first, let's get on the UPBASE platform. To do this, simply open your preferred web browser, type in UPBASE into the search bar, and log into your account. This is our starting point because it lays the foundation for the whole process. Now that we've done that, let's move to the dashboard. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. Click on the Projects option. This helps us to navigate to the area where we can create our project templates. Next up, find the Templates tab at the top of your Projects page and click on it. This is where we'll be creating our new project template. The reason we do this is to ensure that we're in the right place to start our creation process. Once you're in the Templates section, click on the Create New Template button. A pop-up window will appear. This is where you'll input all the necessary information for your project template, such as name, description, and tasks. Remember, templates are a great way to save time and ensure consistency in your projects. After filling in all the necessary details, it's time to add the tasks that will be part of your project template. Click on the Add Task button and fill in the task's name, assignee, due date, and status. Repeat this step for every task you need in your project. This matters because it helps to create a clear roadmap of what needs to be done in the project. Now that we've added all the tasks, it's time to save our template. Look for the Save Template button, usually located at the bottom of the pop-up window, and click on it. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. UPBASE is saving all the information you've added, so you can use this template for future projects. And just like that, you've created a project template in UPBASE. It's a simple yet powerful way to streamline your work processes. To wrap up, creating project templates in UPBASE is a great way to save time, maintain consistency across projects, and ensure nothing is missed. Thank you for joining us today. And remember, successful projects start with effective planning. Until next time.